Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your passive income streams with Fundrise, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Fundrise account on their website. Visit www.fundrise.com in your web browser. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill in your email address and create a password. Complete the necessary personal information fields, including your name and address. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. Next, verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email from Fundrise. Click the link provided in the email to activate your account. Once logged in, start by exploring Fundrise investment options. Familiarize yourself with the different plans they offer, including Starter Portfolio and Advanced Portfolio. Review the details of each portfolio, focusing on the types of real estate projects involved. Assess your risk tolerance and investment goals to choose the right plan. After selecting a plan, determine how much you want to invest. Fundrise typically requires a minimum investment, so check those details. Next, fund your account by linking your bank account. Follow the prompts to complete the bank account verification process. Make your initial investment by transferring the desired amount from your bank. Once your investment is active, monitor your portfolio through the Fundrise dashboard. Regularly check the performance of your investments and make adjustments if necessary. Consider reinvesting any dividends or returns to grow your income. Stay updated on real estate market trends and Fundrise developments. Engage with the Fundrise community and forums for further insights. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your goals. With dedication and research, Fundrise can become a valuable addition to your passive income streams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.